In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in AmBank of Malaysia. So guys, go to Google, search for AmBank, click on this first result. After that, click on login option from the top right corner, you can see here. And then you will see this new page from here after click on login for sure. So just await to loading this page. After loading this page, you have two options here. You have login now. Click on login now. After, write your username and then write your username as I say. After that, click login. If you have guys a right name, you can log in successfully. If you forget username, just click this option. And then to retrieve your username, rest your password, please forget your username and password via your app. Just click on scan this app, guys. Scan this app and then you will get it username. This is how you can do. If you want to log in on the app, just download this app on App Store. As you can see here, click AmBank on App Store and then download this app, and then you will log in successfully for just like this. This is how you can do it. Is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you in other videos.